It is the fourth Sunday and fourth India-Pakistan match, and this one in the Women's World Cup, and we are in Colombo at the Premadasa Stadium today. Pakistan has won the toss and they are bowling first. But the big news on the fourth consecutive Sunday, the Indian and the Pakistani captains do not shake hands. Of course, there was a sort of a message sent out to the Indian camp, to the Indian captain, to not indulge in any friendship with their Pakistani counterparts, and they were not to shake hands, and that exactly happened. But I can tell our viewers that at the toss, the Indian and the Pakistani captain had very positive body language as Harmanpreet Kaur and Fatima Sana stood there side by side. There were smiles and there was an air of congeniality in there as they stood for the toss, and Pakistan didn't ask for another separate commentator to interview their captain. India did not ask for a different commentator. So there was an air of congeniality here because both the teams want to be within the spirit of sport. Both the teams today want to play hard cricket. Remember, much is at stake for Pakistan, a team that has lost its opening match against Bangladesh. So in order to progress in the tournament, they quickly need to turn their momentum around. In fact, they have to get into a winning momentum to progress in the tournament. For India also, it is a very, very important match as they need to up their run rate and they need to garner those 2 points at the end of the day to be able to secure a top finish ahead of the semi-final. Yesterday, with the match rained out between Sri Lanka and Australia, Australia now has 3 points and they are the leaders on the board, and India has to get those 2 points to ensure that they also come to the top. So far as the match remains, Amanjot is missing out today because of sickness. India and Pakistan, they are going to go out and try and score big runs, not just big runs, quick runs as well, because rain is predicted. So far it hasn't rained in Colombo, but the weather office is saying that there are chances of 75% rain, but it could get lesser and lesser as the evening progresses. It could be 30%. So even if we don't get a full match, there will be a match. If the overs are curtailed, even then there would be a match today, and that's what both the teams are expecting. That's what the fans are expected. As of now, the weather gods have been kind. So we are hoping for a good India-Pakistan clash here in Colombo.